Feeling tired, bloated, or making frequent trips to the bathroom lately? It might surprise you, but these could be signs that your kidneys need a bit more care. The good news is that the key to improving your kidney health might be right in your kitchen. Today, we're going to explore some fruits that can greatly benefit your kidneys. And guess what? The last fruit on our list is sure to surprise you. It's likely something you already love. So, stick around as we uncover the top 7 fruits that can truly support your kidney health. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, show your support by clicking the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Do you or someone you know have any kidney problems? What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. The National Kidney Foundation states that 40 to 50% of individuals with kidney disease experience hyperkalemia, which is a condition of high potassium levels. Fruits are great sources of potassium, but if you're on a potassium-restricted diet, there are still plenty of colorful, delicious, and versatile options available to you. Check out these 7 low-potassium fruits to consider adding to your grocery cart. Fruit number 1, cherries. Cherries are a great choice for individuals with kidney disease. They are packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits, along with being rich in vitamin C and fiber. Additionally, they can help manage gout, which is common among many patients with kidney conditions. Cherries also aid in eliminating excess creatinine from the body. Fruit number 2, peaches. Peaches can be supportive of kidney health thanks to their moderate potassium levels, high water content, antioxidants, low sodium, and fiber. These characteristics promote hydration, reduce inflammation, and make peaches a generally kidney-friendly fruit when eaten in moderation. However, individuals with kidney disease should seek advice from a healthcare professional before adding peaches to their diet. Moreover, peaches can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health, which in turn supports kidney function. Their low sodium content and rich fiber contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, thereby reducing the burden on the kidneys, which are responsible for blood pressure regulation. Including peaches as part of a balanced diet can help promote kidney health and overall wellness. Fruit number 3, watermelon. This juicy, refreshing fruit is over 90% water, making it one of the best friends your kidneys can have. Staying hydrated is absolutely crucial for keeping your kidneys in good shape, and watermelon helps you do just that while also flushing out toxins that could otherwise lead to kidney stones or other issues. Plus, watermelon contains lycopene, a super antioxidant that fights off inflammation and protects your kidneys from oxidative stress. This means it's not just helping with hydration, it's also reducing damage. Whether you enjoy it as a snack, toss it in a smoothie, or sip on some fresh watermelon juice, this fruit is both delicious and an amazing natural detoxifier. Who knew staying healthy could be this refreshing? Fruit number 4, apples. Next, we have the classic apple. You've probably heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Well, it's true, especially for your kidneys. Apples are loaded with pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower bad cholesterol, keeps blood sugar in check, and minimizes the risk of kidney damage that often comes from high glucose or cholesterol levels. But wait, there's more. Apples are also low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, which is great news for anyone dealing with kidney issues, since managing these minerals is super important. You can enjoy apples fresh, bake them into a tasty treat, or make your own applesauce. No matter how you slice it, this simple fruit is a great friend for your kidneys. Fruit number 5, pineapple. Who else loves pineapple? I know I do. Beyond its amazing tropical taste, pineapple has some incredible benefits for your kidneys. It's packed with bromelain, an enzyme that's known for reducing inflammation. That means less stress on your kidneys, especially if they're already working overtime to filter out toxins. Pineapples also come with a healthy dose of vitamin C, boosting your immune system and helping your body fend off infections, like those pesky urinary tract infections that can lead to kidney issues. Fresh pineapple, pineapple smoothies, or even grilled pineapple. It's all delicious and all great for keeping your kidneys in shape. Fruit number 6, cranberries. Most people think of cranberries just for urinary tract health, but they're also amazing for your kidneys overall. Cranberries are packed with phytonutrients called proanthocyanidins. That's a big word, but all you need to know is that these compounds help keep bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract wall, which means fewer UTIs. Since untreated UTIs can lead to kidney infections, keeping your urinary tract clear is super important. Cranberries also help cleanse your system by creating a more acidic environment, which makes it harder for harmful substances to thrive. Plus, they're full of antioxidants, protecting your kidneys from damage. The best part? You can easily add unsweetened cranberry juice or dried cranberries to your diet. Just make sure you go for the no sugar added kind for maximum benefit. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. Fruit number 7, blueberries. And here we are, the ultimate fruit for kidney health, blueberries. Trust me, these tiny blue gems deserve the top spot. They're loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which are crucial for fighting oxidative stress and reducing inflammation, two major enemies of kidney health. Blueberries are also low in potassium, making them perfect for people who need to keep their kidney health in check. And besides being great for your kidneys, they're rich in vitamin C and K and provide a good dose of fiber. You can add blueberries to smoothies, sprinkle them on oatmeal, mix them with yogurt, or just snack on them as they are. Not only are they delicious, but they also help protect your kidneys and keep them functioning at their best. If you're looking to make just one simple addition to your diet for better kidney health, blueberries are definitely it. Your kidneys work tirelessly every day to filter out toxins and keep your body balanced. But they need your help too. By adding these kidney-friendly fruits to your daily routine, you can make a huge difference in your kidney health and overall well-being. Remember, small changes add up. Whether it's grabbing an apple for your afternoon snack, adding blueberries to your morning smoothie, or drinking some refreshing watermelon juice, these tiny choices make a big impact over time. Which one of these fruits are you excited to try first? Leave your comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. I also encourage you to check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.